Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what does money on hold mean on PayPal. So here we are in the PayPal Help Center. So here, why is your money you send on hold? Sometimes they hold this for 24 hours for a security precaution. This is done in many industries, not just in PayPal. So they will hold your money so that they will secure the sender and the receiver's end, so that if there's any concerns, they can refund it in due time. So you can also release your payments easier if you want to. So you just want to log into your own PayPal, and then you have to add your tracking with their approved shipping carriers, and then the hold will be over in 24 hours. So the next one is updating your order status. Once you have done that, they will be able to release it within 7 days as the order is completed. So the next one is shipping details. You will have to print your shipping details for the item so that the hold will be 24 hours, it will be done. So in rare cases, they will have to do it for 21 days. This is not actually rare, it's very common, believe me or not. They will do this for 21 days for any new user, because that's a new practice standard where they will hold it for 21 days unless you add the bank card, a credit card, and you will have to add some details to your account. So to do that, just go to your activity, get your money and product, and click submit. So here it would look like this, such as this. So in holds, there will be holds like this. PayPal will be holding for maximum 21 days above around $1,000, as you can see right here, because it's unusually large for my activity sales. So you won't see that really. All you have to do is add the bank card right here, a credit or debit card, and you can update your shipping information to get it more easily. So there you go guys, that is how you fix the money hold on your PayPal. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.